Hello and welcome to the course navigation video. In this video I'm going to show you the best way to view the content of the course. If you go up and click content in the blue toolbar, you will see a table of contents and all the units. Now besides your start here syllabus unit, every unit is set up the same. This is just a little different because it is the orientation. The syllabus, this is going to have every due date that you need in the course, what's due and when is it due. So that's a very important document. But I'm going to jump right into unit number 1 just to show you. Here we're going to have an overview of unit 1. So you would click this link, and this link you're going to learn about SimNet. We have required readings, we have an activity, you have your discussion, and then when you scroll below you'll see your assignment. So I'm going to start with the unit 1 overview. Here, this is going to show you your learning outcomes and everything that is in the unit. So to advance to the next page, you would click the arrow. In here, you're going to find your required readings. Now for each reading, you would open the plus sign. So here's a video I created to walk you through SimNet. Here is a website that'll take you to the complete overview of SimNet. We have a direct link for SimNet. Now we're going to be using SimNet for our course book and all of the assignments. Here's an article if you wanted to read it, and then an additional tutorial on Word 2019. If you get stuck anywhere, you can refer to this website. It's really good. And again, to advance to the next section, you would hit the arrow. In every unit, you're going to find an interactive activity. In here, you're going to see I'm already on question 4 of 6. I just wanted to demonstrate this for purposes. I'm not even going to read the question. I just wanted to show you how to move through it. You would hit submit. And then, oh, I was right. Your next question would appear. And again, I'm just going to hit whatever, hit submit. And, oh, that was incorrect. So to move through these, you would answer the question and then hit the next button on the bottom. So let me do, and I'll show you the end of the activity and what happens. So that was also incorrect, and I would hit next. So your quiz results, 50. Passing is 80. So what you would do is you would take it again. So we'd hit take again. You'd go through the activity, answer all the questions, and once you have completed the activity and passed it, to advance, again, you would use the arrows. So after your unit activity, you're going to see your discussion. After you do that, hit your arrow, and you're going to see the assignment. So I just wanted to go back and content. And every unit is set up the same exact way. Here's unit 2. Again, you're going to find the overview, your readings, your activity, your assignment. This one does not have a discussion posting. So I hope this video helps. Email me if you have any questions.